Husqvarna Automower 115H4G robotic lawn mower with patented guidance system, self-installation and ultra-quiet smart mowing technology, 0.4 acre. Easy control from smartphone. Husqvarna's smart technology lets you control scheduling, adjust settings, and start and stop your automatic lawn mower from your smartphone. Reliable wired solution. Physical wire offers strong performance regardless of your lawn layout. The wire provides a clear and consistent signal, helping the mower navigate through shaded areas with significant tree coverage and any other challenging zones. DIY installation. Set up your Husqvarna robot mower with the self-installation kit included. Place the charging station. Bury or lay the boundary wire around the perimeter of your yard. Install the guide wire, choose your settings, and start mowing. Theft protection. To reduce the risk of theft, the automatic mower is equipped with a built-in alarm system that will sound if it is lifted, and is only deactivated with your unique PIN code. All lawns and weather. The compact robotic mower is weatherproof and can navigate narrow passages, objects and 30%, 17-degree slopes with a cut width of 8.7 inches and an area capacity of 720 square feet per hour, making it perfect for lawns of up to 0.4 acre. Download Automower Connect app. Have full control of your robot lawn mower.